Hey guys, today we're going to look at what is state in React. This causes a lot of people confusion when they first come into React, trying to know what the whole idea of state is. State is a way to know what state our app is currently in. So let's look at an example to explain this a bit more. We have a simple app component here and not much going on right now. Well, let's go ahead and first of all create our constructor function. And inside this, we're going to set up our initial state. So we will say this.state, it's going to be equal to a JavaScript object. And for now, we will put nothing in there. So when the component loads, let's just use the component didMount function. And we will console.log what our state is. And inside our app here, we'll just return a simple paragraph tag. So it's this.state. So our state is an empty object. So that's what we would expect it to be because we set it as an empty object. So now when our app loads up, we have no state basically. But let's say we refactor this app slightly and we bring in a button here. And we just say, click me. And beneath that button, we're going to have a paragraph that will output the count for when that button is clicked. So what we need to do is when our app loads up, we'll come into our object here and we'll say count is initially equal to 0 or 1, or 0 is fine actually. And now we can come in here and say this.state.count. So we should expect to see 0 on the UI here. Okay, so now we can see our state here, count is 0. So once we click this, we need to update the state. So what we can do here is come into our button and add an onClick event. And for now, we will just let that equal to an arrow function. And on click, this is going to update the state. So to update state, we can use this setState function. And that will take an object. And this object, we're going to update something in the state. So we can do count is going to be equal to this.state.count plus 1. So every time we click it, we're going to update our state and specifically our count property by 1. So let's go ahead and try this out. So state count is 0. And now it's going up by 1 every time we click it. So that is what state is. It's the current state that our app is in. So when our app loads up, just to recap, we initially set up our state in our constructor. And once our app loads up, our count is 0. We have a button, and on click, it's going to have an arrow function. And inside that arrow function, we're going to update the state by using this.setState. And we're going to affect the count property in the state, and we're going to increment it by 1 each time it's clicked. So just to show you, let's say for example, to go a bit further here, when the app loads, name is going to be Ray in our state. So now we can have a H1. So we can have a H1, and in this in H1 we will output the this.state.name property. And just to make sure that works, we'll just refresh our page. Okay, so you can see Ray. So every time we click the button, we're going to update the counter by 1, and we're also going to update our name in our state. So what we can do here is we're updating the count. To show you that we can update multiple things in the state, we just have a comma here, where inside an object, we can say name is equal to John. So now you see the power of React. When state updates in one area, we can affect multiple elements here. So you can see it changes to John. So that's it for state, guys. It's basically how we keep the state of our app and we can update stuff as we go. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope they help you. And if you liked it, please click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks.